Welcome back, everybody, to another gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Lixada Camping Cup pot with foldable handles and lid. This particular one is stainless steel with a maximum capacity of 750 milliliters. Now, the list price on this on Amazon is $21.99. However, this thing went down to $17.59, which for a stainless steel pot for camping is insane. So, comes in a pretty plain box. We're going to get it out of here. Look at that. Even comes with a little bag. Let's get it out. Now, there's two reasons I wanted to look at this pot. And there it is. First one is, there's a lot of pots like this out there. But a lot of them, when they put a bail like this on, they're putting it this way. Because look where the handle is. So you have a handle here, and the bail's here. This way you can fold the bail down, and you can still drink from this like a cup. Alright? But if this bail is turned 90 degrees and the mountings are here and here, well, your lips would be banging into these mounts. And a lot of other manufacturers out there are making them that way, and I do not understand it. So when I saw this one and saw the deal it was, I was like, you know what? Let me grab that, because that looks like it would be a total steal. Now, I'm looking here. It doesn't say what stainless steel it is. You know, it's from China. Who knows? Who really knows? But, you can see, oh, that lid is not very... Okay, it's got a cutout right here, so that will stand, so you can do it on and off. The lid is extremely loose on this one, which is a good and bad thing depending on your outlook for camping gear. We got measurements, gradients stamped on the inside. They're very visible. Wow, they even look good on camera. But I did read from one reviewer that these are not accurate. We're going to test that here in a moment. But first, let's get the pot with the bag and let's weigh this and see what kind of weight we're talking about for this stainless steel setup. Get my scale in here. Alright, we're set up to grams first, and it looks like 234 grams, or 8 1/4 ounces. Not bad for stainless, not bad. Another thing to check, will this fit over an Nalgene bottle? Well, let's see. Look at that. Fits over an Nalgene like it was made for it. There's a little bit of play, but not very much. That would work great with an Nalgene bottle. Yeah. Okay. Let's check these measurements. Now it has 8 to 16 ounces, and it goes all the way up to 500 milliliters. 750 milliliters, from what I understand, is if you filled it all the way to the very rim. But I got 16 ounces in a measuring cup. Let's see what it reads. Okay. It's just above the 16 ounces, but not very much. I mean, heck, I'm okay with that. It's not quite at 500 milliliters. Heck, I'd be totally fine with that. construction is really good. I'm trying to crush it. I'm sure if I jumped up and down on it, I could break it, but just that little bit of flexing, nah. Butterfly handles. Only thing about these butterfly handles I don't like is when they do this this step in like that. Then you can only get like your fingers like this. I like the bigger butterfly handles, but you know what? I'm willing to deal with it because I really wanted this bail right here. And it looks like, yep, you can take that bail off that easy. So heck yeah. Heck yeah. Well, for $17.59 and you get a stuff sack, heck yeah, it fits over an Nalgene bottle. So if you were on a budget, that's definitely the one I'm thinking. Unless you want to go expensive. But, well, that's all I got to say about that pot. You're going to see this pot later. I got another video planned, and I hope you stick around for it. And that's the cat at the door. He wants in. He's like, you're doing a video. I want to be on video. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the other video.